Hello everyone. Once again welcome in my class the GuruNode. So in today's video lecture we are going to discuss about the characteristics of asexual reproduction. By saying the characteristics I mean to say the features of asexual reproduction, and also after that we will discuss about the types of asexual reproduction. So let's start with the characteristics first. Okay. So single parent involved. The first point here written is single parent involved. In asexual reproduction, there is only a single parent is required to produce the offspring. Okay, either male or female. That means to produce the offspring, only single parent is required, either the female or the male. Now, the second point is no fertilization or gamete formation takes place. No fertilization or the gamete formation takes place. We know that in asexual reproduction, there is no formation of the gametes. There is no formation of either a male or a female gamete. So obviously, there will be no fusion of the male and female gamete together to form the zygote. Therefore, here no fertilization will take place also. The third point is this process of reproduction occurs in a very short period of time. So asexual reproduction takes very short interval of time to complete its procedure. It is a very short time consuming process. Therefore, asexual reproduction is a very short period of time. Now, the organism multiply and grow very rapidly. The organism multiply and grow very rapidly. As we know that asexual reproduction is a very quick process. It is a very short time consuming process. Therefore, the offsprings multiply and grow very rapidly. The next point is the offspring is genetically and physically identical to each other and to their parent, that is they form the clones. In asexual reproduction, the offsprings that are produced by the single parent, either male or the female, they are very identical to each other in terms of genetics and in terms of physical appearance. Okay, it means the offsprings that are produced by the asexual reproduction are genetically and physically identical. It means similar to each other, and also they are similar to their parents. Therefore, they will form the clones. Clones means twins. Twins. Okay. Now, look at the types of asexual reproduction. So basically there are 6 types of asexual reproduction. The first one is fission. Fission are again of 2 types, binary fission and multiple fission. The second point is budding. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a small outgrowth develops on the body of the parent organism, which again grows, multiply, matures and detaches from the parent organism to form a new individual which is very independent. Okay. Now fragmentation, the third point is, the third process is fragmentation. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent organism breaks down into 2 or more parts, which again grows and matures in a new organism. Now the fourth process is regeneration. Regeneration is a type of asexual reproduction in which the new offspring or the new organism develops from the cut body part of the parent organism. For example, we have an organism say it is planaria. Suppose the tail of the planaria got cut accidentally. After some time, we will observe that the tail regrows again at its old place, and the 2 individual organisms will form independently. The first from the head portion and the neck, and the second one from its tail region. Okay, so this is the process of regeneration. The fifth process is vegetative propagation. Again, this vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction which is very common to see in the group of plants. Okay, we will discuss in very detail in our next video. And the sixth process is sporogenesis. Sporogenesis means formation of the spores. The spore-like body, a small spore-like body will form here, which will grow and matures into the new offspring, or you can say the new individual organism. We will discuss in detail one by one. Okay, one by one we will discuss in detail about all these processes of asexual reproduction in our next video. So this was all about the characteristics and the types of asexual reproduction in today's video lecture. I hope you understood it